Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake dough, easy method. Start by whisking dry ingredients together, then add wet ingredients slowly to form a smooth batter without lumps. Use a thin batter that flows easily from a funnel or squeeze bottle for classic loops. Heat oil to the right temperature and fry small portions until golden brown, turning once for even color. Drain on paper towels and dust with powdered sugar for serving. In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake dough, easy method. Whisk dry ingredients thoroughly, then combine eggs and milk in a separate bowl for a uniform wet mix. Fold wet ingredients into dry with gentle strokes until the batter is cohesive and pourable. Let the batter rest briefly to relax gluten and reduce bubbles, which helps create an even, airy interior. Use a squeeze bottle or funnel for precise frying patterns. In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake dough, easy method. Keep oil temperature steady at 350 degrees F and use a thermometer to avoid undercooked centers or burnt edges. Pipe batter into the oil in overlapping circles, maintaining steady motion for consistent shapes and quick cooking. Fry until golden brown on both sides, then transfer to a rack or paper towel to drain excess oil before dusting with powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.